Good morning to everyone watching news and just drinking coffee, water. Now I have different thinking, not just about salt. I did told you don't eat salt. I changed my mind. I'm eating a little bit salt in my food, and but now I'm not drinking coffee. From one things to another, always trying different kind of diets to feel good. Good morning. Today I'm going to meeting, and then after I'm going to take a walk. Walk with me, guys. Walking to the meeting. Nice day. Plus 9 degrees, warm. I came home and when I came home, I did my things. I did some work on a computer, and now I have time to go out. And I changed my jacket because I said this morning I went there, it was plus 9, and now it's plus 11, but still it's not so warm. Especially I'm going to Western Harbour. It's could be windy, chilly, so it's perfect to have this jacket. And beautiful color. I love this color. Follow me, guys. You can see this red jacket. If it's rainy, cold, windy in harbor, so I'm gonna have a hoodie, which is good. Very practical. Follow me. You can see this autumn. No people outside. It's not like summertime or spring. You see? In the castle park, as usual, going through the castle park towards to harbor. It's take 1.5 hours to walk like this. And of course, guys, I'm not recording 1.5 hours. I'm just walking, and some part of this beautiful nature I show you. Autumn. Nice dog. Nice sculpture, woman. Turning torso over there. This dog is barking over there. The same dog I show you. Beautiful. I enjoy it right now in the park. No wind, not windy. Walking to the harbor. Somebody swimming. Yo. the castle, and birds are screaming. You can hear.
Ovdje gaće. Ona ne na haubu. A ja došlo vraćam. Se radi za konj. A kaj, bude, sve. Ne kažeš pa te neko na vratu, dođe policija i ono te ne uđe. Ali što ti je nadjelo?
They sitting. You see the sitting birds. I don't know name. Pretty good weather. Over there is the harbor, Western Harbor. Why is pretty weather? Because it's not cold, especially in this jacket, red jacket, and no wind. That's the main thing. And me walking. Waterfall. I hate that to talk like that, like other bloggers walking with phones like this. No, guys, just turn my phone like that and talking to you when I'm outside. When I'm at home, that's gonna be like this, not outside. Yeah, when you're holding in front of your face and your camera and talking, and especially when the people around you, you're not comfortable to talk at all. So I prefer like that, talk to you. When I'm home, it's the best to talk to you on a camera. I hope you understand me. He's getting some fish, or she or he. Swan. The Western Harbour. You see this little bridge, and over there is the Öresund Bridge between Sweden and Denmark. If we say precisely, between Malmö and Copenhagen. Here we used to have a lot of people summertime, but not now. And there, over there, I show you closer Öresund Bridge.
It's like so beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful.
And here we used to have summertime a lot of people. Now you can see nobody. It's after 3 now, 3 afternoon. The Tornian Torso over there, you can see the nice square. Ice cream cafe over here. Nobody, just one person inside. And the Öresund water is very quiet. Because no wind. Rush. Oh no, it's not Rush. Delivery. Delivery car. Truck, you can say properly. I like this building. I like these colors. It's orange, yellow, green, and blue. Must be very expensive flats here. There's another cafe, there's nobody here. Seaside called. Never mind. Come, summer is gonna come later. I want to say come summer, come now. Or we have to go to warmer country. But at the moment it's pleasant weather. Quiet. Nobody around, look. And you can see here Tornientosa as well. It's 3:25 and still quiet. You can hear the sound quiet, not the sound, just the steps, my steps walking. You can hear that. And only one guy is running. Over there, straight ahead, a lot of people in the summertime, but not today, not now, the next year. And now only this you can hear, the sound of water. And you don't hear any birds here. No birds, no people, just couple people over there working. And me walking. Tornientosa, you can see. Cafe by the sea. If you see my video, I showed so many people here, half naked, and dance, music. Nobody here, just one person running. In summertime, we had plenty of boats here. There's not so many at the moment because it's winter. See? Not winter yet, but it's coming soon. It's 4 o'clock. soon it's gonna be dark. I like those lights and bulbs and these buildings. Byggnader in Swedish. Buildings. There, Malmö University. I'll show you closer. And there, Malmö Central Station. Central Station, nice, yeah. This part, it's a fashion part, is old. You can see here. Downtown we have people. This is the other side of Central Station, where it's all buses. Malmö is very beautiful. Look at this. Not just when it's summer and sunny. And I like lights at night. Very beautiful. Like a Christmas now, preparing for Christmas. You see a ceiling over there, lights. You can see closer here, lights. The church, and I love those lamps. You can see. A pretty street, very old. It's called Kalenders Gatan. Gatan, it means street. Pretty shop with plants and flowers. Beautiful. Opposite that flower shop, coal and cocktails bar. I think it's closed now, but we're gonna open later because it's 4 o'clock now. This is Japanese sushi bar. Kayotsa. Pretty. Pretty. How pretty it is. Look at that. Bonton. For Christmas, guys. And here this pretty shop, Hampton. I want to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Pretty. And I love you all. See you soon, guys. Thank you. And I want you to show the end my shopping. I'll show you closer. Mushrooms. All this. 214.41. Vegan. Good morning to everyone watching news and just drinking coffee, water. Now I have different thinking, not just about salt. I did told you don't eat salt. I changed my mind. I'm eating a little bit salt in my food, and but now I'm not drinking coffee. From one thing to another, always trying different kind of diet to feel good. Good morning. Today I'm going to meeting, and then after I'm going to take a walk. Walk with me, guys. This is my video shirt from Labonvi. Why is that? Because I love Labonvi. And this is my favorite beer. From Labonvi. Try. I did drink already, guys. Don't worry about that. But I give you like feelings for this beer. Beautiful beer. Look at that.
Sort your lights out on the monkeys.
What do you think? What do you think about this beer or Labonvi? I hope you like it.